Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this nice wave pattern using Illustrator and using the blend tool in Illustrator. So let me close this and go to Illustrator and start creating it. We need to go to File, New, and create a new file. And I will use Web Large. And here we have a new file. Then let's go to the pen tool and let's just draw a random line using the pen tool. Actually, we need to draw two lines, not one. And also here, let me just create a random one. We need to select them both and remove the fill color. And then we have just two lines here. And we need to select both of them, go to the blend tool and click on the first one and click on the second one. So you need to click on one and just click on the second one. I don't know why it didn't work at the first place, but it worked on the second click. So it identified just the click here and then the click here. So now we have this nice or this kind of random wavy pattern here. So how we can make it better, we need to go to here to the layers and then choose one of them and then go to the curvature tool, or I don't know how curvature tool, I don't know how we pronounce it, and then use it to make it better. So let me just here go to this one, double click. So it's not the result that we want. So we can play with the dots here to create the pattern that we want to achieve. Let me choose the first one, then go to the curvature or curvature tool, and then clicking on the dots here, it's gonna change the way the wave is or the structure of the wave. So let me change this one as well. So now it looks a bit more interesting. Here at the bottom, we can also move this one and then two clicks, it's gonna make it curvy here, and one click again, it's gonna make it a sharp corner, so or a sharp angle. And now let's choose the other one, and here choosing the other one, and then going to, we can achieve it, or we can adjust it, or clicking on a backspace or on a delete on a delete button is gonna delete this anchor or this dot. And now, as you can see, it looks a bit better. We can also drag this one to the side. And now we have kind of a good one. Now let's add a background here. Or let's not add a background, let's just choose the left one, do a copy, a paste, and then align it to the same line that we choose. So let's left top align it. Now it's exactly in the same place of the left one. Now let's choose it and let's go to the same tool and let's try to draw a rectangle using it. And so if we click on it now, two clicks and two clicks here, it's gonna make it sharp corner, and here the same thing. And now we can give this shape a fill color. We can remove the border color and give it a fill color. Let me use a light gray, and let me send it to the back. And now let's get an image. I downloaded this nice image, and let's just drag and drop it behind the image. And now let's try to preview it. So it's kind of similar, but the background of the wave and the lines color is not good. So let's try to change it. So first let's go to the background and make it maybe a little bit lighter. And let's go to the blend object and let's go to the stroke color and let's apply a gradient to the stroke color. And we need to go to the colors here, to the swatches, and let's choose the gradient swatch here. I have it here on the left side, but I just wanted to show you where you can find the gradients swatch. And we can choose anything we want. We can choose like seasons. And here we have kind of bright, nice colors. And let's try to review it. Looks now a bit more nicer. Maybe we can give the background kind of transparency. This is how you create a nice wave or wavy pattern in Illustrator. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.